sunny day. Even though we are in winter here in Munich, it can be also sunny. And usually people do swim in the lakes, so that's the plan. And I'll also take you along with me to the hike and show you which route is better, and let's enjoy this day together. It's free Wi-Fi in the regional trains, the Bayern regional train, and I would recommend you, if you're staying here for a few days, better to get the Deutschland ticket, which is 58 euro for 2025. 2024 it was 48 euro, I think, 49 euro. Inflation. By the way, to go to Tegernsee, it only takes 1 hour from Donnersbeckenbrücke with the RB 57. It's quite funny now. You can just take RB 57 and then it will stop right away in Tegernsee. And you can just enjoy the ride. We arrived in Tegernsee. I cannot believe that it's just 1 hour. This beauty from Munich. Like, people should do every week, every weekend, day trips near Munich. There are so many beautiful areas, beautiful nature for hiking and swimming in the lake. So first thing, we're gonna go for swimming because why not? It's so beautiful, it's so sunny, and actually it has a lot of benefits to swim in cold water and during winter, but you have to do it right. Yeah, you have to prepare yourself. So I have taken with me shoes, towel, hot drink, and warm clothes, of course. This is the perfect spot. Look, it looks like a real see. Tegernsee, it's a see. No, actually, see in German means lake. Swim in November in Germany. Challenge accepted. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna swim now. drinking a coffee now here in Tegernsee with a very beautiful view. Just one tip, you should have bar cash with you because it's only cash possible to pay. Okay, so we are doing the hike of Riederstein. It's supposed to be 1 hour and a half, or it can be also 3 hours. They have different routes, like moderate or more difficult. So you can choose once you are in Tegernsee, whichever hike you want to do. But it's quite all the way up. Yeah, so you need the hiking boots, hiking bag, a lot of hiking gears. I love hiking! Ew. Who would have thought, like a few years ago, that I would have loved hiking? I only started hiking here in Germany, actually. Yeah, true story. And if it's the first time in this channel that you're watching this vlog, please make sure, if you want to watch more vlogs, to hit the subscribe button down below, comment, let me know if you have any questions, and get a like. Yoo-hoo! We made it to the first point. I mean, you can continue here the hike. So there is one area, Riederstein, half an hour more to continue the hike. If you want to go in Tegernsee, it's like 1 hour and a half walk. It's really beautiful, and there's so many people behind me, if you can see, having lunch, having a beer, the best treat after a hike. Enjoying the beer now after the hike, even though I think that we're gonna continue half an hour more. Just we're already here, so we're gonna go to that first point that I told you, and then going back to Tegernsee is like 1 hour and a half. It's a good day plan. It's an active one, but you enjoy because you're close to nature. Well, this was it. This was the hike. But I mean, look at this view now. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna end it like this. Hope you enjoyed it, the vlog, and hope you also do this hike, because I really enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
Enjoyed it.
Yeah. Highly recommend it. Juicy! Bye! Servus! Bye! See you until the next time!